So let me get this straight. I puff out my chest as I walk forward to you. You think because you're the sages of the Sword Coast that you can defeat me, the awesome Alvin of Australia, in a battle? I puff out my chest again.
You lost me on this one, man. I don't know.
Yeah.
That was a great intro, though. Like, I can't follow up on something that good.
Balon Bala meh. I pull up my cue card. Balthior, you think you can defeat me? I challenge you to an arrow battle. That arrow over there, the one next to the tree trunk. I bet I can hit it closer to it than you could hit closer to it. I drool a little bit from my mouth.
I think you can definitely outshoot this guy, Phelan. He doesn't really look like much.
Yeah, his chest is puffed out pretty far.
Au contraire.
It's true.
I was captain of archery class in my class of archery.
What school was that?
The archery class of school.
Yeah, honestly, maybe don't shoot this guy.
I don't really want to kill him.
What? What did you just say?
I don't want to hurt you. That's what I mean.
I wasn't saying shoot him, I was saying shoot the tree, right?
Did you say that you were gonna shoot me?
Oh, no.
No, I said I didn't want to do that. Who are you?
Looks like it's time for me to release. To introduce who I really am, huh?
What the fuck?
I am not Alvin of archery. It is I. And I unpuff my chest, grab my cloak, and throw it up in the air. It is I, Alvin of the Dragon Cult. Phelan, you know, there's a price on your head. Quite a large sum if I do say so myself.
I'm gonna kick this guy in the face.
Killer, no!
I want to dodge. I want to preemptively dodge. Can I roll to dodge?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay, this is to dodge. Okay, so
yeah.
I dodge, right?
Shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I try to kick again and lose my balance.
Pemba Siblam
that's
Budal
you.
Bagong, huh? You know, we have a word for you back at the cult. Pussy. I stare at him and puff my chest out. I want to make this very clear. And I hold up Velka with a knife to her tail.
Oh my god!
What the fuck? Hey,
If
don't,
you
where'd you get
can't
my
shoot-
dog?
Where did I get this dog? No!
Buddy, do you need
And I fall down to the
something?
ground.
Oh, God.
The poison! No! I'm not Dink! That's not who I am! Where am I? Who are you people? No! No! I pass
Oh
out.
my god! What the fuck?
That was incredible!
That's so good!
Alright guys, so... Here we are.
Jacob, are you like writing a performance piece that you're not telling us
And
about?
this is like a very... It's getting very avant-garde.